Dear friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha. Today I am going to prepare very easy but delicious recipe potato ghee roast. For this I have taken 150 grams of potato, 1 chopped onion, 3 teaspoons of clarified butter otherwise known as ghee, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, few curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of jaggery or country sugar, salt. To roast and grind I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 numbers of Kashmiri red chilies, half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a small piece of tamarind. For this we are going to prepare a masala. We are going to dry roast certain ingredients. Now heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 numbers of Kashmiri red chili, add half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, dry roast until nice aroma rises. Dry roast in slow flame. Transfer these dry roasted ingredients to a mixer jar. To this add 5 cloves of garlic. Add small size tamarind. I have soaked it in water. Add little water and blend it into fine paste. Now the masala is ready. I have taken 150 grams of potato. I am going to blanch it. I am going to peel the skin and cut it into 1-inch size pieces. Now I am going to blanch the potatoes. For this I have kept water to boil. To this I am adding little amount of salt. I have used rock salt here. Now I am adding the potato pieces to the boiling water. Cook for 5 minutes and switch off the flame. Now it's been cooking for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and drain the water. Heat a fry pan and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. When it becomes hot, add the blanched potatoes. Shallow fry until the outer layer becomes slightly crisp. Now add 1 more teaspoon of ghee. When it gets heated, add few curry leaves and fry until it becomes crispy. Now add 1 chopped onion and saute it until it becomes translucent. Now the onion has become translucent. I am going to add the blended masala. To this add 3 tablespoons of curd. Now mix it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and required amount of salt. Saute well until ghee oozes out. Now ghee has started oozing out. I am going to add little amount of water. And now I am mixing it. Now add the shallow fried potato pieces. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of jaggery to balance the taste. If you don't like to add jaggery, leave it. It's up to you. Stir occasionally to avoid the masala sticking to the bottom. Cook until gravy becomes thick and the ghee oozes out. Now you can see ghee oozing out. Switch off the flame. Lip smacking potato gyros is ready. I have transferred it to a plate. Now I am going to garnish it with a few coriander leaves. Thanks for watching this video. Try this recipe and give your valuable feedback.